How to create Telegram account without number. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So creating a Telegram account without phone number isn't officially supported since Telegram requires phone number for verification. However, there are workarounds you can try if you prefer not to use your personal number. So for that, you want to go ahead and open up your browser in your mobile device. And once you open the browser, in the search bar, search for virtual number. Once you search for it, go ahead and tap on any of those links that you prefer and simply select the country. You'll find different kind of phone number right over here. You can tap onto it and simply copy their phone number and then paste it on Telegram. And once you paste it on Telegram, you want to go ahead and visit the same site and then copy the SMS code from here. Once you do that, you'll then be able to log in to your Telegram account without your personal phone number. Also make sure that using unofficial or public number can put your account at risk. For important account, always use your private and secure number. That ends the video guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.